everybody, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in today's video I've got a fun and easy treat for you: lemon pie Muddy Buddies. These are the perfect no-bake snack for spring and summer, with the sweet and zesty flavor of lemon pie packed into every bite. We're using simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, and this recipe comes together in just a few minutes. If you're looking for more fun and easy recipes, hit that subscribe button, then grab a bowl and let's get mixing. Here are the ingredients that you'll need: 9 cups of rice Chex cereal, 1.5 cups of white chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of instant lemon pudding mix. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1.5 cups of white chocolate chips. I ended up using the entire bag. Add the butter, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Microwave at 50% power in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until the chocolate has completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Pour the chocolate mixture over the cereal and gently stir until all of the Chex is coated. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar and the instant pudding mix. Pour the powdered sugar mixture into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Add the chocolate-coated cereal to the bag and shake to coat with the powdered sugar. Pour the Muddy Buddies onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet and allow them to cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. I hope you love these zesty lemon Muddy Buddies as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new recipes, and join me on my Disney travel channel, Mommy Mouse Clubhouse, for some Disney fun. And I'll see you next time.